To remove the hinge door, use your fingers or a flathead screwdriver to pry the door off. Slide the hard drive door out to the side and pull it off the unit. Slide the RAM door out to the side and pull it off the unit. Remove the 3 screws for the postponement door. Lift up the bottom of the postponement door and carefully pry the cover off of the unit. Remove the 2 screws for the rear I/O cover. Lift the bracket out of the unit. Detach the screw for the optical drive. Note that the screw is much longer than other screws used with internal components. Use the access hole to push the optical drive out to the side. Pull the optical drive out of the unit. Detach the 4 screws for the stand. Note that the screws are different than the screws used for most other system components. Slide the stand up and then tilt it out of the PC. Remove the 3 screws for the rear cover, 2 at the top and 1 at the side of the unit. Note, you will need a slender screwdriver to access the top screws. Pry up on the top edge of the rear cover, then work the rest of the cover free from the unit. The rear cover has several tabs along the outer edge. That fit under the outer lip of the front bezel. To replace the rear cover, align the cover onto the unit. Press the cover firmly until all tabs have snapped into place. Replace the 3 screws. The stand has a long slot in the middle that fits under a tab inside the PC. To replace the stand, align the middle slot over the tab and slide down until the tab is at the top edge of the slot and the stand is secure. Replace the 4 screws. To replace the optical drive, slide the drive into the unit until the screw hole at the edge of the drive aligns with the screw hole inside the PC. Replace the screw. The rear I/O cover has 2 tabs on the bottom that fit under a lip on the rear cover. To replace the rear I/O cover, slide the tabs under the lip and press the cover until it snaps into place. The postponement door has several small tabs at its top edge that fit under a lip and a slot on the top of the PC. There is also a small tab on the side of the cover that fits into a slot on the PC. To replace the postponement door, align the top tabs under the top lip, then swing the cover down. Press the side tab into its slot. Replace the 3 screws for the cover. The RAM door has 2 tabs that fit into 2 slots on the inside of the PC. To replace the RAM door, align the tabs and the slots and slide the RAM door until it's secure. The hard drive door has 3 tabs that fit into 3 slots inside the PC. To replace the hard drive door, align the tabs and the slots and slide the cover until it is secure. The hinge door has 2 notches that fit over 2 metal rails inside the PC. To replace the hinge door, align the notches over the rails, press the door down until it snaps into place.